Hi everybody, Karen DeSantis Meyer chiming in from Redondo Beach, California, and I'm so glad that you're here with me today. What day is it? I don't know, but I do know that it ends with a Y, and I'm good with that. But with that, I know there are distractions when we are working from home. Anybody out there like me? What is it? Laundry, picking up kids, making lunches, cleaning the house, answering the phones, making the bed. You know what? I've been working from home over 2 decades now, and I've learned that we have to be disciplined in putting those distractions aside. So I want to share with you some of my hacks that I've learned, and I hope that they help you as well. I actually have partnered up with a billion-dollar anti-aging company over 8 years ago, and we have some products that not only are science-backed, but they have clinical trials and we have patents, and you can't lie about clinical trials, which I want to share with you some of those hacks that have helped me incorporate them with busy life. One is, we don't have a product for this, but it's keeping a schedule. Okay, it's really important to know, plan your work and work your plan. And so my schedule goes from 9 to 9. All right, 9 a.m., 9 p.m. Anything that's in between that is work. Anything before or after, I can make the bed, clean the house, do the laundry. Well, pick up kids you have to do when they have to be picked up. But that's really important to keep to that schedule, and just know, because if you were at work and had a regular corporate job, you would not be on the phone with your girlfriend at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. You'd be working. So that's number one hack. Number two hack is working from home, staring at the screen, dealing with reports, being on the phone tends to be tiring on our eyes. And so I have one of my favorite hacks on today, and they are our IV hydrogel patches. Oh my goodness, one of my absolute favorites, because not only are they soothing, I take myself to the spa, which is my bath, and light myself a candle and pour myself a glass of wine, but 20 minutes of these babies on my eyeballs, and they're soothing, they take down the puffiness, they heal my eyes. They just are wonderful for a late night, a date night, and even for a special night. And so IV hydrogel patches, 20 minutes, you deserve it. I have a hair on here. Oh, there it is. Got it. So my other hack that I want to share with you is any of you get to sleep at night super well, and you just kind of go to bed and you're just able to go right to bed and sleep for 8 hours? Not me. I've got reports going, and who can I call and what can I post? And so these babies have helped me so much in getting a restful sleep as well as staying asleep. They're called the Wellness Chews, and the ashwagandha, the gotu kola root, mushroom, the all-natural Ayurvedic ingredients naturally help our natural sleep patterns and reboost our sleep patterns in getting it back to where it's naturally supposed to be. And so not only do they relax you and put you at a nice restful sleep, but when you have to get up to go potty like I do in the middle of the night, I go right back out. It just naturally, and I don't wake up groggy. I love these babies. So beauty hack, wellness hack, guys. I hope that's helpful in some of the distractions that go on when you're home from work. I'd love to share with you more information. And oh, by the way, we've got an amazing new product launch that we are revealing. And so stay tuned. DM me and we'll talk.